borons again. Boron has a general property named as boron, symbol B, and has atomic electron numbers of 5. It has electronic configuration of He, which is helium 2s subscript 2 and 2p. Is the element category is metalloid. Boron is found in group 13. That is, when you subtract a transition element in it, it gives us it found in group 3, and it has 3 electrons in atomos shares. That's why it's found in group 3. And the period which boron is found in is period 2, and it has a P block element. That is found in the P block element. That's where the occupations of its atomos shares wears P block element, and that's standard with atomic weight of 10.811. History of discovery. Boron was discovered by Joseph Louis Gay Lussac and Louis Jacques Stittnard on 30th of June 1808. And first isolation took place by 9th of July, that's the same year, in 1808, by Humphrey Davy. It has a physical property like boiling point 4200 Kelvin. It has a heat of fusion 50.2 kJ per mole, heat of evaporation 480 Kelvin kilojoule per mole, and liquid density at molar point at 2.80 gram per centimeter. Has a melting point of 2349 Kelvin. Molar heat capacity 11.087 joule per mole. Phase is in solid form. We have liquid and gaseous phase, liquid, solid, and then gaseous phase. So the boron is in the solid form. Atomic property has a radius of 90 pm, a covalent radius of 84 plus or minus of 3 pm. Electron negativity 3.04 Pauling scale. Ionization energy has a first ionization energy is worth 800.6 kJ per mole. Oxidation state 321, mildly acidic oxide. That is why it is found in group 3. Now, van der Waals force is 192 pm. Miscellaneous has a registration number of 7440428. Crystal structure rhombohedral, electrical resistance 20 degrees Celsius. Is a diamagnetic in nature. That's magnetic ordering. More hardness is 9.5. Speed of sound 20 degrees Celsius, 16,200 meters per second. Thermal conductivity is what 27.4 watt per meter per Kelvin. Thermal expansion 25 degrees Celsius. Now the electron shares, like I said earlier, it has 3 electrons in the outermost shares. That is, the first electron which is occupied 2 has only complete 2 electrons, and the second shares which occupy 3 has 3 electrons. The first shares, the maximum electron it occupies is 8, but because boron lack most of these electrons, so it occupies the remaining 1, which is 3. That's why it's been placed in group 3. Now have crystal structures of it. Like I said, is what rhombohedral. Now, since boron is a solid, it has appearance. We look at the appearance here. Black, brown. Okay, black, what? Brown, very shiny. So most stable isotope has 2, which is isotope 10 and the isotope 11, boron. So the isotope 10, which is number 10, has a 19.999 abundance and is stable with 5 neutrons, while the isotope 11 is 80.1% abundance and it is stable with 6 neutrons. So the boron 10 content may be as low as 19.1% and each as high as 20% in the trace sample. Boron has 11 is the remainder in the such case. Now the other information which is we